opening week of the 2026 conflict, the world learned a hard lesson in military math. High-tech bases in Kuwait, Bahrain and the Emirates, protected by the most advanced missile shields ever built, faced a terrifying new reality: saturation. It is not about the quality of the drone, it is about the quantity of the swarm. The numbers are staggering. Iran is reportedly launching over 400 drones every single day. At a cost of just $20,000 per Shahed drone, Tehran is forcing the United States to respond with Patriot interceptors that cost $4 million per shot. This is a cost-asymmetric nightmare. Even with a 90% interception rate, the tyranny of space means the remaining 10% are finding their marks. On March 10th, the impact became fatal. A swarm attack on Port Shuaibah in Kuwait killed 6 US service members, proving that even a successful defense can fail if the magazine runs dry. In Bahrain, drone strikes have targeted desalination plants and satellite communication radomes. These are not strategic strikes in the traditional sense. They are designed to exhaust the sensors, the crews, and the stockpiles, until there is nothing left to fire back. The US is now scrambling to integrate Ukrainian-style interceptor drones that cost only a few $1,000s to fight back. But as the 2026 inflation shock hits the defense industry, the question remains: can the West build interceptors faster than Iran can build flying lawnmowers? The era of the high-tech fortress may be over. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel, so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the US military and their allies around the world.